Brent, are you surprised that it is looking like it's ending up this way?
Not really. I mean, he said at the TED Talk this wasn't about money or the economic value. It was about the democracy of Twitter. And so I think there's been so many twists and turns, and it's been a roller coaster that I don't think that anyone, if you listen to the TED Talk, I think he was very clear that this wasn't a way to make money.
What is the status of the company that he is buying now? Employees, how's the business doing? Feels like in the market, given what's happened in the stock market and in the tech stock sector in particular, it would have been a long way from 54.20 at this point, naturally.
Yeah, I mean, I think he also has to understand that this has caused a lot of pain on the company. There have been a lot of employee departures. There has been a loss of faith among the advertisers. And so he needed to get this deal. If you really wanted it in the long term, he needed to cut this off and get it moving, because he's just inflicting more damage on the story than he needs to. So I think this is good. We're moving on. We have clarity. It was in a holding pattern. Are we going to land at the runway? Are we taking off? There's clarity now. So I think that he needed to do that, because it's been, they've lost a lot of goodwill among the advertisers. The advertisers have gone other places. The users have drifted. So they've got a lot to do to kind of repair the story now. And so now it goes back to get the deal closed.
What about the status of Twitter's business? With the advertising market weakening, and even the stalwarts like a Google starting to feel the pain?
Yeah, I mean, the economic headwinds are going to put more pressure on all the ad names across the board: Meta, Google, Amazon. You go through the list. That's a reality, and we've seen it in every downturn. Advertisers turn off. They're really going to turn off the platforms where there's uncertainty, and so Twitter is going to face this in the interim, that they're going to not have the faith among the advertiser community as we go into an economic storm. So they have to act quick. He has got to get the playbook out, get this deal done, and move forward, because right now it's in a tailspin.